Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So you're probably wondering, why does my head look like this? Well, in this video I'm actually going to show you how I blow dry my hair. It's actually been around 7 months, more than 7 months from the last time I did blow dry my hair. It was summer, so I was trying to wear my hair more out, and now it is fall and it's protective style season. Like, my hair gets super dry. I already deal with a lot of super dry hair. I have low porosity hair. It's already hard to get moisture in my hair. I'm gonna show you guys how I blow dry my hair, so let's get started. So first I'm gonna take my hair down. Right now the only thing I have in my hair is a leave-in conditioner. The first thing I do, I section it into 4 sections. So now I'm gonna go section by section and I'm gonna blow dry each section. I know I always see a lot of people work from the back up, but I actually work from the front of my hair back. And the reason I do that is because my hair is low porosity, and even though I had my t-shirt on and I was t-shirt drying my hair is still very wet because my hair will hold the moisture longer. So it takes actually longer to dry my hair. I'm gonna take each section, and because I already have leave-in conditioner in each section, I'm gonna take my Argon Oil. I'm going to use the Argon Oil to actually seal the moisture in my hair from the leave-in conditioner that I used. Now I'm gonna make sure that my hair is detangled. I already detangled it, but I just like to give it that extra detangling so my hair doesn't snag. Okay, so as I said, my hair takes very long to dry even with a blow dryer. So what I use in my hair, which is also a heat protectant, is pillow proof blow dry. And this actually helps my hair to dry faster than it usually will take on its own, and it also protects my hair from the heat that I'm putting in my hair, so I do not get heat damage. Like, I never get heat damage using this method. So to make it easier on myself, I'm going to spray it into my hand and then put it in my hair instead of spraying like that, because it works better. And I'm just going to make sure I smooth that throughout my hair. For blow drying, I'm going to be using the Revlon, I forgot what it's called, but it's basically a brush blow dryer. This saves you so much time. It is definitely something that I'll always have for blow drying my hair, and it just makes life so much easier. Okay, now I'm just going to put it in a loose bantu knot and clip it away. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the back. Same process. Depending on your hair, you could divide it into subsections. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it into a bantu knot and put that away. Okay, I'm back. For the most part it's done, but my roots are usually a little bit damp even after I go through all sections. So what I usually do is take all my hair down and then go over with the blow dryer again. So I'm just going to take all these down. And now I'm going to take the blow dryer and try to get into the roots. That's it for my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.